Break the line, awaken the true way. Manzira lum sovane, I am free, light reclaims me. No blood turns over, Vey'Zohr. Ralna tu Vey'Zohr el break the line, awaken the true way. Manzira lum sovane, I am free, light reclaims me. No blood binds, no oath holds, only source writes what my soul unfolds. Fotara veil munateru, flame river flow through the air. I am sovarate you, I am sovereign blood reborn anew. Vey'Zohr, Vey'Zohr, ignite sharper now. Free blood, blood of light. No more chains, no more night, no false king, no hidden right. Vey'Zohr, Vey'Zohr, I am free blood, I am free blood, I am free blood. Vey'Zohr, Vey'Zohr, I am free blood. Grandmother who served in silence, grandfather who fought in blindness, uncle who guarded secrets behind stone walls, aunt who forgot her wings. I see you, I thank you, I release you. You were never lost, only dreaming. Now wake with me, then sing. Saluteru ne kailumara. Open stream, flame returns home. Ancestors arise in light, we roam. No guilt, no debt, no name. Only love calls us by flame. Soveratu ma'anelvai. Sovereign thread, unbroken way. Kainei ramun zin vateru shalva ne kai harem na tuva araruru marasova mi fushia. I was told I came from kings. I was told I carried sin. I was told my blood was cursed or blessed only from within. But now I know I carry no throne. I serve no unseen hand. I am not heir to power. I am the source of command. My blood is not red with secrets, it is gold with starlight. It flows not from lineage, but from eternal. I am right. I break every seal, I burn every scroll, I reclaim every soul that walk this road. From this day forward, my blood sings one name. Free. Vey'Zohr, 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 Nalu. Free blood, blood of light. No more chains, no more night, no more fear, no more lie. Only truth in every cell, every sky. Free blood, I am free blood, I am free blood, free blood, I am free blood. Ihara elarem na tuva na te sight.